Alright, how's it going, everybody? So in the last video, you saw that I had a little clogged exhaust issue. And in that video, I showed my progress with Wally here. We're going to get some more done on this. I did a little bit of it off camera. I got a decent bit done. And also, look at this clearancing right here. Let me get my phone out for some light. Look at that clearance management right there. Oh yeah, I had to do that, otherwise those bolts right there were hitting the frame, and it's gonna work just fine. So in this video, I hope to fully run the chain all the way through the 2 chain tensioners and start on rebuilding the motor, and then probably get the throttle and the clutch hooked up, and then just go over the little issues in the next video, and then hopefully after that it's going to be able to be ridden. And this will actually be the first time the bike has been ridden in about a year, a little bit over a year. So yeah, I'm excited to ride it again. I miss this little thing. It's just a good little beach cruiser. Also, don't you love when you're coming home and you get a nail right here? Like, isn't it the greatest thing ever? Instead of getting it in the middle where it can be fixed, you gotta get it on the side. It's just a little rant because I was mad. The tire only's got 3,000 miles on it, and we got a flat. But anyways, back to the bike. Alright, so it's the next day, and I decided to start working on this bike, and we have a chain now. So I got the chain fully mounted all the way through the chain tensioners. Yeah, ignore the zip ties. But got that all done. It's finally getting done. So now we're gonna work on this top half right here, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Here's the rebuild kit. Now we're gonna put that on there, and hopefully everything works out the way I want it to. Alright, so first let's start by taking the head off. I love this thing. Oh, stud came with it. Now let's pull this up. Get the head gasket off. Not going to use that anymore. Alright, perfect. Here's this if you guys wanted to see the inside. See if I can get the focus. This engine took a beating. See if we can get the other side. There we go. Yeah, this engine definitely took a beating. We're going to pull these 2 little clips out. I believe I have replacements, but I'm not sure. So, I'm not going to throw those away. So we're just going to put them right there. And slide this out. Perfect. And here's the piston. Alright, so we're going to use this piston. There's a bag it came with, so we're going to use that as a paper plate. Chinese instructions. Let me zoom out. There we go. We are going to use this head for the first little bit. Here's a series of gaskets and, ooh, new studs. This really isn't that bad for $40. I'll show you guys the inside. Sorry, this camera's weird and I'm still getting used to it. But let's get to throwing it back on the bike. Sorry if you guys can keep hearing the camera focus. Here, I have an idea. Just lock it in manual focus and maybe that sound will go away for a little bit. I just gotta remember to turn it off.
Stud 2 is out, and third and final one. Come here. Oh, of course this one wants to be a pain. Okay. Like butter. There we go. Perfect. Alright. Now let's get to installing the new ones. These in. Now this one. And gaskets installed. Now we're gonna take our cylinder. Actually, no. Now we're gonna take our piston, and we're gonna grab the clips out of this little bag. I know it's not gonna be in focus. Here we go. This kit came with everything. Beautiful. And shove that in. We're gonna grab our other clip. Alright, we are installed. Sweet. Let's put our head gasket on and the head. Let's wipe this off. Good job. We dropped to a 12mm. Alright, so time to torque this down, but I'm going to do that off camera because y'all are going to yell at me for how I decide to do it. Alright, so now the internet mechanics didn't see how I torqued that down. Now we need the spark plug out of that old head, and I actually forgot about this. So we just need to grab that. That was easy. Alright, well, I guess that's a good stopping point for today's video. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and have a great day.